This is John. He can draw. Oh boy, I don't know about these drawings, but he definitely can animate. Today, WMA dives into the world of idols. John's gonna animate one idol and use the same animation to create 12 unique idols. How the hell's he gonna do that? You're about to find out.
It's time to let John show us how it's done. Let's do this. Select your character. The block's genre selected. Select your style. Default selected. Select your mode. 3ds Max. The block's body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are now available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. The blocks are simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the block's complete 12-character set now.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome to this episode. We got the John rig ready to roll, and the Jordan idol is already loaded in, and it's actually not that bad. So let's kick things off with a reposing, of course, and we'll start with the torso, then we'll move up to the head. Now, John's animation is all about being friendly, sociable, and approachable, so we will use those three keywords to guide our direction. Keeping those keywords in mind, let's make John wave hello, and let's select this part of the timeline and delete all the keys for his right arm. This feels like the right spot to add it in. So I'm going to start blocking in some basic poses. Now remember, we're not aiming for a super polished arm. We just need something simple that reads well. Few basic poses, good timing, and there you have it. John is actually waving to say hello. All right, now it's time to rework his left arm. So, you know when you see someone that you think you know and you want to say hi, but then you realize that it wasn't who you thought it was and your arm is already kind of mid-air? So that's what's coming to mind right now as I'm reworking these poses. Let's call it a semi-hello. I'm not even sure if that term even exists, but it's kind of working all right if you're asking me. Let's fine-tune our shoulders. Now, even though John's left arm doesn't lift as high as his other side, we'll still add in some rotation. Now, we don't need to be extremely precise with the amount of rotation that we add. As long as we can see that the shoulder's rising on the arm, that's all the rotation that we need. Now, I'm going to repeat the same process on the right shoulder, and we are good to go. Moving into polish pass, we have John positioned close to the camera. So this allows us to incorporate small, subtle details like body and arm shakes while waving. Now, if he was farther away, these subtle motions wouldn't be noticeable. So remember to consider your character's position and proximity. In this case, John being close enough enhances his performance with these subtle shakes, adding a touch of realism. Next up, let's polish our hand animation. Now, animating hands can be a bit tricky since they need to complement the main performance. Over-animating them can make them feel separated from the rest of the body and draw too much attention to them. So we'll add in just the right amount of motion to bring them to life, and when it's well done, it seamlessly enhances the overall performance. That's it. We made it. We've reached the final pass where we go through the entire animation and make any necessary adjustments to enhance his performance to the fullest. So smooth sailing on this one, to be quite honest. John's in high spirits. He's waving hello. And that, my friends, is the magic of transforming a Jordan idol into a brand new idol. 6 idols completed, 6 more to go as we continue this series. We're using Jordan's idol and transforming it into brand new idols. If you're enjoying the content on my channel and you want to show your support and be a part of the fun, you can share this video on your social media. You can give it a thumbs up or drop a comment right below. Doing so will help boost the channel and the video's visibility. And of course, you know how that YouTube algorithm thingy works. So Your support, super appreciated. Lastly, the blocks are here, available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. These rigs are perfect for leveling up your body mechanics skills. They are user-friendly, customizable, and loads of fun to animate. You can get the Blocks Complete 12-character set at gumroad.com/watchmeanimate. My name is Jonathan Abbenheim, and thanks for tuning in. I will catch you on the next one.